Can everybody see this? Right, I have all your names. And let me shuffle all your names. How do you find the first activity? All right, ready? Okay, how do you find the first activity?
Define for this activity. This one okay. I think good enough for me.
First time? Doing
First
something
time,
like that?
Yes.
Okay. Is it applicable to your reporting?
Yes.
Yeah, definitely for Excel chart especially, yeah? All right, thank you so much, Yusuf. How do you find the activity for lesson 6?
Yeah, interesting. And new to me as well, especially the last one.
All right, hi Tan Ching Wen. Right, so how do you find activity for, all the activity for chapter 06?
Very fun and new to me.
Which one you find it very interesting and none of the people over there have used it? I believe so. You have seen a lot of reporting, right? So which one you never see before?
For the last one, just now we try on.
Means no one in your company have used it, right? Yeah, no one have used it, right? So start from you guys. Start from you.